Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making the gate safe and accessible. Turn off the mains and disconnect the battery so the motor can't engage. Lock the gate open or prop it securely. Quickly check mount bolts, limit cams, and the gate's alignment to spot obvious binding. Use a multimeter to confirm 0 volts at the motor terminals before touching wiring. Once done, clear debris from tracks and hinges so the motor can be tested without mechanical drag, and lay out your tools within reach. You remove the motor cover and inspect the control board and wiring for loose terminals, scorched components, or water ingress. That tells you whether it's electrical or mechanical. Measure supply voltage at the motor while an assistant attempts an open/close command so you can see if power reaches the unit. Next, test the start/run capacitor and limit switches with a meter, and try manual rotation of the gearbox to feel for stripped teeth or stuck bearings. If you fit the replacement parts, tighten mounts to spec, and reseal the motor housing so moisture won't return. Reattach wiring exactly as labeled, restore battery and mains, and then program the travel limits and motor force according to the Centurion manual so the gate stops correctly at endpoints. Cycle the gate several times, listen for abnormal noises, and observe consistent speed. If the gate hesitates or reverses unexpectedly, check limit setting and gear meshing first. Often a misaligned limit or loose coupling causes that behavior.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.